Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure Freshsales CRM deal stages and win rates, complete guide step by step clearly. To configure deal stages and win rates in Freshsales CRM, start by logging into your Freshsales account. Navigate to the Admin Settings section located in the bottom left corner of your dashboard. From the Admin Settings menu, select Deals to access the deal configuration options. You will see a section labeled Deal Stages. Click on Deal Stages to view the existing stages set up in your system. To add a new deal stage, click on the Add Stage button. Input the name of your new deal stage in the provided field. Optionally, assign a specific probability percentage to this newly created stage to reflect its win rate. Repeat the addition process for any additional deal stages you want to configure. To edit an existing deal stage, click on the stage you wish to modify. Make the necessary changes, such as adjusting the stage name or modifying the win rate. After making your changes, be sure to save your adjustments. Once all deal stages are configured, return to the main admin settings page. Locate the pipeline section to visualize the stages in your sales pipeline. You can drag and drop stages to reorder them according to your sales process. Review the entire setup to ensure all stages and probabilities are aligned with your sales strategy. For additional insights, navigate to the Reports section to analyze your deal performance against the set win rates. Consider running a few test deals through the pipeline to see how the configurations work in practice. Regularly revisit and adjust your deal stages and win rates as your sales process evolves. This ensures that your Freshsales setup remains aligned with your business needs and goals. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.